The royal city of Mysuru in southern Karnataka is all decked up and lit up ahead of Dasara festivities. While the Ambavilas Palace is the epicenter of the festivities, hogging the limelight are 12 elephants from the forest camps in Kodagu and Chamrajanagara that are now camping on the premises of the palace. These elephants will be featuring in Jumbo Savari event, which is famous world over on Vijayadasami, which marks the culmination of the Navaratri festival. The strongest of these elephants will be assigned to carry the golden howdah along with the idol of Chamundeshwari, which is the presiding deity of Mysuru city. This year, the responsibility will be shouldered by Abhimanyu, a 59-year-old tusker who weighs 4,920 kilograms. This is the second time that Abhimanyu will be taking on the role. Abhimanyu comes from the lineage of elephants of great strength including Drona, Balarama and Arjuna. Elephants have for long been associated with Dasara festivities at the royal palace. Palace historians are in possession of records that show elephants have been participating in the Jumbo Savari since 1902. However, Jaya Martanda, who was the first elephant to participate in the Dasara Jumbo Savari, has a special connection with the royal family. It had carried Maharaja Raja Krishnaraja Vadayar in the Jumbo Savari for 45 years from 1894 to 1940 without a break. When the elephant died, it was buried inside the palace compound and a gate was built and named after it. Some other popular Dasara elephants include Airavada, who was seen in the Hollywood film Elephant Boy, and Rajendra, who became a celebrity by acting in Kannada film Gandadagudi. Unlike these elephants, Abhimanyu has been a star for different reasons. Deep in the jungles in the Matigodu elephant camp at the Nagarahole National Park, Abhimanyu has been nicknamed AK-47 by the Kavadi tribe. The nickname is derived from Abhimanyu's ability to do whatever he is tasked with, from cornering rogue wild elephants to chasing them deep into the forests to keeping them from confronting humans and even taming wild elephants. Abhimanyu has taken part in over 150 operations of elephant capture and training across Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh. He also helps capture tigers that stray into human habitation. Abhimanyu is now viewed as an elephant ambassador. Stories of Abhimanyu's valor are plenty. One of the valiant battles he fought was with two elephants who had gone on a rampage in Hassan city in 2013. He single-handedly pushed both elephants into the waiting trucks. Similarly, in another operation, his own Dasara teammate Gajendra went on a rampage in Biligiri Ranganatha Swami Tiger Reserve. It was Abhimanyu who, along with the help of another elephant named Harsha, calmed Gajendra. In 1990, a group of 22 wild elephants killed around 300 people and roamed free in 90 villages. Abhimanyu was then identified and chosen by Wildlife Division experts in the forest departments of Karnataka and Chhattisgarh to head a team of 32 elephants along with Gajendra, Bahadur and Sri Rama to capture these wild elephants and translocate them. A film called Last Migration, which won the Green Oscars and Wild Screen Panda Award, is based on Abhimanyu's heroic task. As heroic as he is, Abhimanyu always ensured that he kept his mahout out of harm's way. Abhimanyu has had two mahouts since he was first captured in 1977. Sanappa had been his mahout ever since Abhimanyu crossed over to being a civilized elephant. His son J.S. Vasant had been around his father and Abhimanyu, making friends with the elephant and studying his diet, needs and moods. Soon after his father hung his boots, J.S. Vasant took on the role of becoming Abhimanyu's mascot. Vasant was the only mahout from Karnataka who participated in the Asian Elephants Relationship Building Workshop in Indonesia. Vasant dazzled fellow mahouts and elephant handlers in Indonesia with the qualities of Abhimanyu and his bond with him. It was only in 2019 that Abhimanyu got to carry the golden howdah and gave Vasant the opportunity to sit in front and drive his favorite animal. However, it was not an easy task as Abhimanyu had to carry over 1000 kg of weight that included 700 kg of the golden howdah, 150 kg of mattresses, caparison and other paraphernalia and 75 kg of mahout. He even saw Abhimanyu's patience put to extreme test with cultural and musical troops slowing down the march. Abhimanyu has been accustomed to the Jumbo Savari event over the last 22 years. His last assignment was to draw the Anegadi, which is a trailer full of musicians of the royal court. He is strong, calm, well-behaved, daring and fearless. He is physically more suited to carry the Golden Howdah than the other 11 elephants as he has a flatter and longish vertebral column. He is built strong and powerful and is also agile when needed. Abhimanyu and the other elephants have been in training since September 20th. The elephants have had a cradle-like structure fastened on their backs with heavy sandbags placed in it as part of the drills. This year, however, the Jumbo Savari will be restricted within the perimeter of the Mysuru Ambavilas Palace due to COVID restrictions and only 500 spectators will be permitted. Abhimanyu and his team will have to walk for just a few hundred meters against the 4.5 kilometers in normal circumstances. Nevertheless, Abhimanyu's star status has been made sure that he is still talked about. Raghuram M. from Mysuru for the Federal.